Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when start menu is not working on your Windows 11 computer after installing this update, that is KB5015882. So after installing this update, if start menu is not working, it's not opening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to install update KB5016629. Now Microsoft has released this update, that is KB5016629. So install this update and this should fix the problem. So go to Windows Update and then click on check for update, and once the update is installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart, check the start menu. So if you go to Microsoft website, so if you go to this website, I was facing this problem after installing this update. So over here you can see KB5055882. So if you scroll down on this website here, you can see after installing this update, we have received report that small number of devices might be unable to open the start menu. And this issue is addressed in this update, that is KB5016629. So update your Windows with this update. So whichever latest update is available, click on download. I have already installed this KB5016629. So install this update, restart your computer, and your start menu should start working. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can use Windows 11 installation assistant. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. So open this link and then go to this website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now. Now run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and this will load Windows 11 installation assistant. Now if you see the install option or update option, update your Windows 11. Now still you're facing the problem, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So after updating your Windows using media creation tool, the start menu should start working. So one of the steps should help you to get your start menu working on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.